Hello and welcome to Shrimpy Pro. My name is Jade and today we will set up two-factor authentication for our account. We strongly encourage everyone to set up 2FA for their account as an extra security precaution. While a strong password is helpful, they aren't always secure. Two-factor authentication is an added security feature at sign-in on top of logging in with a password. To set up 2FA, we will need to download an Authenticator app to our mobile device. Google Authenticator is available to download for free on Android and iOS devices. This app will generate our 2FA code for logging in once we link it to Shrimpy Pro. Go to the Settings tab and select Security and API. Select the box to enable 2FA, and then select Enable 2FA to proceed. Log into your Shrimpy account again. A QR code is now displayed. In our Authenticator app, select the plus sign to link a new account and then select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed in Shrimpy Pro. Then enter the 6-digit code displayed in the Authenticator app. Our account is now protected with 2FA. On the next login, we will be required to enter the 2FA code displayed on our Authenticator app. We can choose to remember our device for 30 days if it is a trusted device. Otherwise, we will need to enter the code at every login. If you want to reset your 2FA, you can do this by going back to the Security and API tab. Select to disable the 2FA code and then confirm. You can then complete the same steps to re-enable 2FA. If you lose access to your Authenticator app at any time, you can request to have your 2FA reset by sending an email from the linked email address to customer support requesting we reset your 2FA. If you have any questions about setting up two-factor authentication or why it is important, please reach out to our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We would be happy to help.